Hey guys, today we are going to play a game called Guess That Sound. Now first, you're going to block your ears for 10 seconds exactly. Okay, now you're going to listen to this. Listen again. Now 1 second please. Now get that. Okay. Now the description will say the answers. I'll play that one more time. Now, what is that? It'll say in the description, labeled number 1. Number 2, block yours for 10 seconds. Alright. Now you're going to tell me what this is. Now. What is it? It will be in the description, labeled number 2. Now the last and final one. Well, here it is. Now, what is it? It will be in the description, labeled number 3. Now that was the game of Guess That Sound!